Welcome to this video series in which I'm going to show you how to succeed with Facebook ads. Now, why is Facebook a great place to advertise on? Well, Facebook has more than 1 billion users, and it allows you to laser target people for all kinds of products and services in every niche. Alright, so here we are on the Facebook site, the home page, and if you want to advertise, you would just go down on the very bottom here and look for the link that says create ad. Now, before you create your ad, it's important to know what CTR is, or click-through rate, and what you should be aiming for. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in the next video.